I see that everyone came together. How nice. So where is Mutlu?
Sleepyhead. Is that boy still sleeping, honey?
No, he woke up a long time ago. He's reading his book. It's so exciting he has to finish.
So look, we have news for you. I mean, Minnie and Manny have some news for you.
What's this all about, Space Kids?
We're going back to the pink planet.
Ah, why do that now?
It's called sharing time. We get to talk about our experiences on Earth.
We also miss our families. It'll be good to see them after all this time.
But we'll also miss you a lot.
Don't worry, we'll come and visit again.
Oh, all right then, guys.
So, I have an idea. How about we throw a huge farewell party?
Awesome!
Hey, honey, let's invite everyone. It's the event of the year. I'll take care of the barbecue part as I'm the master of the grill.
We're gonna go ahead and pack up first.
Can we do the party decorations? I'm good at making things look festive.
Festive it is, Zuzu. We need to invite the neighborhood kids as well.
Don't forget our neighborhood parents as well.
Let me give a call to Mr. Amin. Finally, the time has arrived. I want to see his face when they take off.
Come on, everyone, let's get to work.
What's up, guys? Can I get the binoculars from you, Dad?
Take 'em, Mutlu, take 'em.
Oh, perfect! He let me take them without a fight! Hey, Neşe, look! Can I borrow the new straw hat that you bought?
Of course, Mutlu.
Hey, Zuzu, can I ask you for a favor and use your camera for something? Of course, Mutlu, it's yours. Wowzers, they gave me everything I wanted. Hey, Mommy, are you making a cake for us all?
I sure am, Mutlu.
How'd they realize I'd be traveling all around the world in 80 days? I think they're putting together a surprise farewell party for me. And here I was thinking how I'd ask for permission. I can't believe how easy this was. It'll be done if we blow a couple more balloons up. Look at everything, it's gonna be perfect.
Oh, hey, kids. Tremendous work, you guys. This place looks like a real festival. I just called Mr. Amin. He's gonna be in shock.
The book was perfect. The idea of touring is perfect as well. But, I mean, it's also a bit tiring. I can't fool myself. There are so many days ahead of me. Of course, my bag doesn't close all the way. How can I start the journey with an open bag? This is impossible. How can I do it?
Minnie, Manny, they come from somewhere very far. Minnie, Manny, they came to see all new things. Every moment, every life embraces us. Come now, come live with joy inside you.